Do you have a habit of crumpling and tossing your receipts to the trash or leaving it on store counters wherever you buy your groceries? After this video, you will absolutely love keeping those receipts. I can even foresee you getting excited over the machine printing your receipt and the cashier handing it over to you. That's all because there are certain apps that allow you to earn money or gain cashbacks for making purchases and uploading these receipts to their system. It's as simple as that. Take a picture of your receipt, upload it to the app, and collect your reward. The big question now is, are these applications real? If they are, then why do they just give away money for those useless receipts? That question might sound complicated. Most people might actually think that these apps are scams and are only marketing ploys, because why would a software developer give money to users in exchange of their receipts? For most people, this doesn't make sense. Yet, the answer is simple: it's market research. Companies value data from consumers. This is their way to know the consumer's spending and shopping patterns. This is how they know what other products they have to manufacture, or their next offer should be concentrated to generate the optimum sales, and whether or not their target consumers indeed buy their products. Because if not, then something is wrong with their marketing strategy. That means something still needs to be fixed so they can generate more sales. To get these pieces of information, they set aside a budget for market research, hire software developers, or enlist the help of third-party research companies for this endeavor. Hence, these cashback apps will ask for your basic information and correlate it with the details that show on every receipt you upload. As such, companies can gather insights about what a 30-year-old female working in an office would usually buy once a week from a grocery, a restaurant, or a clothing shop. Remember to provide your personal information only to trusted cashback apps. If they start asking about your passwords and sensitive personal information, it's a red flag. Abort mission. Delete the app and find other genuine ones. Let me tell you about this new app that users swear by for its legitimacy. It's the best, if not perfect, way to earn money and get paid for the things that you've brought, simply by uploading your receipts from any groceries, supermarkets, physical shops, and even from online stores. May I introduce to you Scan Bank, the app that pays you real cash for your receipts and online purchases. Scan your receipt and get up to $5 per scan. You'll just need a minute or two to take a snap and upload it. Here's the best part: you can share your accounts to your family and other household members to accumulate shopping receipts and earn even more. All you need to do is to register and log in through the link provided in the description box. Fill in your details, start uploading your receipts, and collect your dollar earnings. Here's why I personally choose this app over the others. Instant payouts. Most cashback apps in the market will make you wait for 30 days before they pay you. Beginner friendly. You don't need technical expertise in coding. You'll only need a few clicks for taking a photo and clicking the upload button. It works on any device. A laptop, desktop, tablet, phone, as long as there is internet connection. Real support system. If ever you encounter any difficulties, the team behind Scan Bank will answer your queries right away. To maximize your rewards over the receipts and purchases you will make in the future, heed these pieces of advice. Upload your receipts right away. Watch the training videos in Scan Bank. Collect and gather your family members' other receipts to rack up those rewards. Multiply your rewards and passive income with the other offers of Scan Bank. You may start searching the house for the receipts you might have stashed somewhere. Receipts for groceries, clothes, electronic devices, books, food, and literally anything that you paid for. That $5 per receipt will accumulate. It can pay for your next groceries. It can even pay your monthly bills once you finally discover how to multiply the earnings from this app itself. Head over to the description box now and check out our link.